Have you ever wondered what it would be like to witness a miraculous transformation or hear a story that bridges heaven and earth? The chapters 17 to 20 in the Gospel of Matthew offer just that, an engaging journey into the core teachings of Jesus, filled with lessons, miracles, and divine interactions. Matthew 17 kicks off with the Transfiguration, where Jesus is transformed before Peter, James, and John on a mountain. This awe-inspiring event reveals his divine nature, as his face shines like the sun and clothes become white as light.
The appearance of Moses and Elijah alongside him confirms Jesus as the fulfillment of the law and the prophets. "This is my Son whom I love. With him I am well pleased. Listen to him." God's words in verse 5 give us a direct command to heed Jesus' teachings. Moving on to Matthew 18, we find Jesus turning worldly power dynamics upside down, saying, "Unless you change and become like little children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven." Verse 3. This chapter delves deep into the importance of humility, forgiveness, and how we treat the least among us.
Its core message? Greatness in God's kingdom demands simplicity and sincerity. Chapter 19 tackles themes of commitment and faithfulness, with Jesus speaking on marriage, divorce, and celibacy. In verses 13 to 15, he famously says, "Let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these." It's a call to welcome and value everyone, especially those who seem insignificant. Finally, Matthew 20 presents the parable of the workers in the vineyard, teaching us about God's kingdom's surprising nature, where the last will be first and the first will be last. Verse 16. Jesus also predicts his death for the third time, underlining his mission of service and sacrifice. The chapter ends with a stunning miracle. 2 blind men regain their sight. This miraculous healing serves as a metaphorical lens through which we're invited to see the world with compassion and understanding.
In essence, Matthew 17 to 20 invites viewers into a deeper understanding of faith, service, and the unexpected nature of divine justice. These chapters challenge us to transform just like the moments shared on the mountain, shaping us into people who reflect the love and light of Christ in every aspect of life. Want to explore more profound insights? Stick around and let's dive into these compelling narratives further.